Okay, I'll be doing this. Hi guys, I'll be doing this, and it will click the like button and subscribe. You'll get a shout out on PetSMX and Bed Wars giveaway kit. It'll join everything, join all my stuff, and I need to make a cool thing. Okay, start on with it. Falcon. I just want to start on Falcon. Probably C because it has good. It might have good aim, but not on an iPad like me. Why did this even exist? But yeah. Warrior. Just gonna put it on B. Here. It's much better than Falcon. You can get like warrior armor. I'm not sure if warrior armor is better than emerald armor, but let's find out soon. In our next video. Spirit catcher. It's weird. I don't know where to put it, but I'm gonna put it on D. I like. It does not. It's not good for me, but it's a aiming thing. That same damage to iron sword. It's the same damage, I think. I think so, but it's not. I don't know. Let's try this. I'm gonna put this F. It's by Baker. I'm gonna put a B. Infernal Shielder F because it look cool and it's garbage. B Baker because the speed pie, just the speed pie. I'm excited for the next update though. Subscribe and like for Battle Pass. Okay, next is Barbarian. This guy, slow guy. Yeah. I'm gonna put him as a S. Next, I'm gonna put Trinity. I'm gonna put Trinity to E. Yeah. Here. Next, I'm gonna put Elder Tree E. Spirit Catcher's right better. Builder. I'm sure I want to put it as here. Next is Archer, extremely A. Bounty Hunter. It's a C. Reaper. You know why I like Barbarian? It's Rage Blade, and it's an Archer's a tactic bow, and Bounty Hunter's emerald collecting. Elder Tree sucks because you only have to get the things. Builder sucks because you only get a hammer that costs 20 iron, and then need more iron, and then to build the bed defense. That's how trash. Because, yeah, why not? First person's good. Okay, Melody. I'm gonna put Melody right here. Because it's good for squads. It's like a light angel, but much better. But need iron. Okay, next is Reaper. Yeah, you know why Reaper is gonna be A? It's better than Archer because, like, why not? Reaper, Soul, makes HPs. Yeah. We know Reaper's nerf. I know that it's nerf. Next is Lastly. Where do we put Lastly? I remember on my old channel, I did a Lassie troll. I'm just gonna put Lassie to be here. Because why not? Yeah. Pirate Davy C. Because the TNT cannon. The obsidian can't affect or blast proof things. Let's just put that. Next, wizard. The best F is wizard. Because it can damage. But somehow it costs 3 emeralds. And that's stupid. Or I think it's 2, I don't know. Really strong buff on Pyro. So let me put it on S. Farmer Cletus. My friend Warrior, that channel, remember? He likes Farmer Cletus, I think. I don't know. But I'm just gonna put it on B here. Next, Raven. I suck with aiming on Raven, so why not I put it D. Next is Beekeeper. I'm gonna put it on S because, yeah, I can spawn bees. Next is Jade, the last one. I'm gonna put it on B above here. That's all, guys. Subscribe and like, and see you at 12 p.m. or tomorrow. I don't know. Bye. I mean, yeah. PM.